Good morning, guys. How are you all? Hope you are having a great time. So, I think you seen my breakfast and lunch video. So today I thought of doing my workout routine, and basically we will go through how to plan your workout and how you have to actually target your muscle groups and other stuff. So I'm gonna explain you that. So what I'm gonna explain you, the routine is push-pull leg. So today is a push day. So basically, guys, you don't need a gym particular place to target that particular muscle group. You can literally do anywhere, any place, any situation. Be it at home, be it at gym, be it at you are on a travel. Still, you can target the muscle groups. What is the most important is training the particular muscle group. You have so much of variety of exercises. You can literally choose, and you can do workouts anywhere. So that's how I progressed when I went to India. So literally I worked out at home. So your journey or your transformation will not stop just because you don't have a gym. Yes, there is an extra edge is there because you can push it to a maximum, but it doesn't mean that you can't progress on any other place. You can progress it. Okay, so today is a push day. Let me show you what is my routine. So what I do is, first thing is I do a warm-up, a simple warm-up, which is 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, let's start with the warm-up. First thing is I start with 10 rotations. 10. 1, 2, 3, 10. Then your hand rotations. 1, 9, 10. Then opposite side. 1. Side by side, 1, 2. Okay. So that's, and then 15 legs, around 20 is enough, so that your body will be warmed up fully. So that's the warm up, guys, and whichever first exercise you're gonna do, we'll do with the lower weight. So today is a push day. So in push day, what we're gonna do is we're gonna target our chest, shoulders, and the triceps. These are the 3 muscle groups we're gonna train. So in these 3 muscle groups, each muscle group, as per my split, I do 3 exercises. That means chest I do 3 exercises, and then shoulders I do 3 exercises, and triceps I do 3 exercises. So that's gonna be today's routine. So whichever exercise you're gonna target first, always warm up with the lower weights. So what I'm gonna do today now is I'm gonna take maybe a 10 kg dumbbell, and I'm gonna do little warm up for my chest press. This is the chest exercise. So what I'm gonna do is coming here down, breathing, going out, breathe out. So that's today's workout, guys. So basically what we did is, first we did a chest exercise. Chest exercise is 3 workouts we did. We did a chest press, incline chest press, and then hex dumbbell press. So this is the 3 exercises you did. Either you can do 2 sets or you can do 3 sets. Depends on your convenience. And you can do between 8 to 12 reps. If you're a beginner, start with slow, slowly increase it. That's for the chest. When it comes to a shoulder, I did a shoulder press, front rises and lateral rises. So 3 exercises, again same, either 2 sets, 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps, depends on your convenience. And the last one was the triceps. So triceps we did again 3, overhead triceps extension, then bench dips, and then the hand, bending hand triceps extension. So these are the 3 exercises we did, again same. You can do 2 sets or 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps, depends on your convenience. So that is all for our push day, guys. It's very simple. What is most important in your workout is keep it as simple as possible. Don't complicate it. The more simple it is, the more easy it is to follow. So once you're done with the exercise, you need to do stretches. So make sure that you can just hold your hand for 10 seconds each side. 3. Then you can, this is for the shoulder. So every muscle you actually work out, you're just gonna release it. So with this stretches, it will give you the little relaxation. That's some more about it. And then shoulder. Just 10 seconds you can hold for each of stretch. Then push your body away, your hands away from your body. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Please start implementing it, and do let me know if you have any doubts and clarifications in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for all your love and support. I'm so blessed to have you all in my family, and we will all work together, and we will all get fit together, and we will all stay fit together. So if you are new to our group, please go ahead and subscribe our YouTube channel, and then join our Facebook group, and do follow me in Instagram. I'm here to impact 1 lakh people, and I need each one of your support unconditionally. Please do share, please do invite your friends and family, and please help me to transform the people and help them to get fit and be part of this mission. We will all do together, and we will all grow together. So thank you so much, guys, and I will be back again. Till then, take care, bye bye. Lots of love from your brother, lots of energy. Please start your journey and take a small steps and build the habits and get fit. Thank you, guys.